Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cybersecurity Ethical Hacking web series. Hope you are all doing good. An interesting and useful topic for today. ChatGPT, bug bounty recon automation. In the recent days, OpenAI's ChatGPT has dominated the internet. Before we begin our investigation of the AI ChatGPT, you must first register and log in to OpenAI. Let's ask ChatGPT about it. ChatGPT is an interactive AI that allows us to ask questions and receive responses. In simple words, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence assistant trained to provide information and assist with tasks. Automation has become an essential component of bug hunting success. Making mundane tasks, such as subdomain enumeration and directory listing, with a variety of internet-based tools is time-consuming when done repeatedly for each target. This is where automation comes in handy. We can write a script to automate these tools using these techniques. This allows us to get all of the results at once. Although this may appear to be a simple task, we must still write the script and be proficient in doing so by properly utilizing the resources. And this video is made for people who are new to chatbot and automation. ChatGPT is our wonderful assistant to write the script. Let us talk to him. Write a bash script to automate my bug bounty recon process. This was what it wrote. This is a pretty decent script, but this can be improvised by adding more tools to it. Here is a great source for the list of tools that covers almost all the processes of recon. From this, I copied all the tools and gave them to ChatGPT. And here is the amazing script that came up. This, in my opinion, is an excellent script that is also simple to understand. However, you can always write a script, add more tools, and change the methodology as needed. The script generated is error-free and can be executed directly. I just replaced the URL with my target website and executed. Recon is done few minutes time, and all the required data captured in a text file. I used this method for my ethical hacking. Very handy and used for cybersecurity researchers and pen testers. Please do not use this script against any website without their prior permission. Are there any other automation you tried with chat? Let us know in the comments. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video helps. We publish episodes to this series every week. To stay up to date and aware of such cyber risks, and learn about more hacking tools, consider subscribing to my channel by clicking on the subscribe and bell button on the top right corner of the page. Thanks for watching. See you soon.